Good day, everyone. I remain Adangalade. Today I have some words that I want us to look into. I'm going to be mentioning them in English, then explain them in Igbo language. Okay? Stay tuned and watch to the end. I have one, riot. What do Igbo people call riot in Igbo language? They call riot Ogbagara. Ogbagara. Then I have protest. What do we call protest in Igbo language? Protest is ngayari iwe. Ngayari iwe. What do we call confusion? Confusion bụ mgbaghari anya. Mgbaghari anya. I'm confused about this. Those things mgbaghari anya. Ihe agbaghari anya. Okay. Then we have test. What is test? Test ebolo nwale. Nwale bụ test. Gịnị bụ exam? Examination. Examination wee bụrụ ule. We call it ule. Gịnị bụ region? Region in Igbo language is called mpaghara. Mpaghara bụ region. Mpaghara bụ region. I hope you grabbed something. If you did, please help me to share the video, like, comment, follow, and subscribe to my YouTube channel at Adangalade TV. God bless you. Have an amazing day. Bye.